Hello everyone, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to create a new pipe sizes. So for example, if you are starting a pipe and if you are trying to change the diameter of a pipe which is 22, you may have to add those pipe size which is not listed in this place. You can see that property once you have taken the pipe size. You have selected a standard, or if you are selecting a chilled pipe system, you can see underneath the pipe segment it says a steel carbon. If it is in standard, you can see that pipe segment is copper A. In the copper A segment, I need a 22 size which is not listed in this place. So go to manage to add a setting size. Go to the Manage tab, under the Settings, MEP Settings, Mechanical Settings. Under Pipe Settings, you will be able to see a segment and sizes. If you need a new segment, you will be able to create a new segment based on your requirement. Most of the settings are already available, like steel, Schedule 40, 80 and copper detailings all are available. If you need any other systems which contains like these tables, if you want to add a new table, you can create your new segment in this place based on material or schedule type, or both material and schedule type. The sizes will be copied from the already existing types and you will be able to delete or add in your list. For example, you have to have a new size. You must be knowing the internal dia and outer dia of the pipes. For this exercise, I'm going to create a new pipe size which is 22 in the copper A segment, 22, and the internal diameter I'm probably assuming it as 22.1, and the external could be, I'm just assuming it, let it be as outer diameter as 22. Inner is supposed to be less than that. Okay, it's just a value it represents. It is not going to give you any hole in this pipe layout. I'm just giving add. Now you will be able to see that 20, 22, 25 diameters are available in the list. You can select OK and you will be able to go back to the system tab, pipe. You have the system type selected, pipe size, and if you're using the diameter, now you must be able to see that 22 diameter in this place. You can select it, you will be able to draw the pipe size. The fitting size also changes based on the pipe size. You don't have to worry about it. The lookup table contains the by default settings, so it automatically changes. To know the fittings, how to create them, we have a separate tutorial for that. The advanced tutorial, it's available as free in our YouTube tutorial. You can follow the BIM modeler and you can subscribe to the BIM modeler and you will be able to learn advanced tutorials such as fittings. I look forward to the next tutorial, which is how to create a new pipes types and pipe systems. Thank you.